Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check whether your phone is 4G or 5G. Here I have purchased a 5G mobile phone iQOO Z9s. Okay. But if you would like to check whether it is really truly 5G or not, yes, you can verify. Okay, so how to verify? Just go to the settings first. Go to the settings. I am telling first method. There are three methods. Okay, first method is go to the settings, then go to about phone, and here go to software information and serial number. If serial number after this letters BE, if it starts with more than 5, then it is truly 5G. If it is only 5 or below 5, it is 4G. Okay. For example, here 10BE8, it starts like 10BE8. Okay. After BE8 is printed. Okay. Suppose if 7 is printed, then it is also greater than 5, so it is 5G. Okay. It should be greater than 5. Okay. If it is equal to 5, it is 4G. Okay. Below 5 also 4G. Okay. So if it is 6 after BE, if it is 6, then it is also 5G. Okay. So in this way you can easily verify. Okay, after this letter, okay, see the digit after this letter. Okay, check it in your phone. Yes, here 10BE8, that means after BE it's showing like greater than 5, so it is a truly 5G mobile phone. Okay, this is the first method of verifying your phone whether it is truly 5G or not. Okay, then second method, just go to the settings of your phone and then go to display and brightness, and here click on screen refresh rate and see screen refresh rate here. Maximum screen refresh rate given here is 120 Hz. If it is more than 60 Hz, if your phone supports more than 60 Hz, that means your phone is truly 5G. Okay. If it is only given standard 60 Hz, then it is only 4G. Okay. So it should be more than 60 Hz. Okay. If it is 90 Hz, then that's also 5G. Okay. So both 60 Hz and 120 Hz are given in my phone. In your phone also it should be like this, because you have purchased 5G phone. Okay. So yes, it is truly 5G. Okay. So because 5G mobile will have smoother experience. Okay, so that should be given here. Okay, it should support 120, greater than 60 it should support. Okay, so by this method also you can verify whether your phone is truly 4G or 5G. Then third method, for that go to the settings of your phone here, then go to mobile network and internet, that is SIM card and mobile network here, and click on any SIM card. I click on SIM1, and here click on preferred network type, and in preferred network type 5G is given, then yes, your phone is truly 5G. Okay, if your phone is 4G, this 5G will not be showing from your SIM card. Okay, because your phone is not supported if it is 4G. Okay, if it is 5G, that 5G preferred network will be showing here, and yes, you can select it. So through these three methods you can verify whether your phone iQOO Z9 yes 5G mobile is truly 5G or not. Okay, just verify. Okay, verify with your phone and comment flow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.